oceano. The Serengeti. The Serengeti National Park, located in the Mara and Semboi region of Tanzania, encompasses a vast area of 40,763 square kilometers, established in 1951. This open wildlife sanctuary is home to a diverse range of terrestrial and aquatic animals including lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffaloes. The Serengeti is renowned for the Great Migration, a spectacular natural phenomenon where millions of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelle traverse the vast plains in search of food and water. The park also featured a variety of landscapes including grassland, open woodland, mountains, and rivers, most notably the world-famous Mara River. The Mara River originates from the Mau Escarpment in Kenya and famous for 395 kilometers before emptying into Lake Victoria. Flanked by the Mara National Reserve and Masai Mara National Reserve, the Mara River is named after the Masai people who inhabit its surroundings. Serengeti National Park wardens and guides are stationed near the river to provide guidelines and ensure the safety of visitors. It serves as a vital water source for the Serengeti ecosystem and plays a crucial role in the Great Migration, acting as a passage for the migrating animals. While its waters are not suitable for drinking or fishing, the river's bank teems with large herds of wildebeest facing danger from crocodiles and strong current as they attempt to cross. Although the river poses a natural challenge for the wildebeest, it also nourishes the surrounding grassland, creating a verdant paradise for herbivores. Wildebeest, also known as gnu, are antelope-like animals belonging to the bovido family, which includes cattle, sheep, and goats. They are characterized by their brown coloration, white or tawny underbellies, long cylinder legs, and short tail. The horns of male wildebeest are larger than those of females. These social animals live in herds are known for their impressive speed, reaching up to 80 kilometers per hour, and their ability to leap 2 meters high with a 5 span of around 19 years. Female wildebeest give birth to a single calf even 2 years. The calves are capable for running shortly after birth, a vital adaptation in the wild. Wildebeest are not sedentary animals. They are constantly on the move, traveling long distance in search of food and water. In addition to the crocodiles of the Mara River, wildebeest face constant threats from lions, leopards, hyenas, and wild dogs in the Serengeti. Wildebeests are valuable species. Their survival depends on the protection of their habitats and management of their predators. Witnessing a vast herd of wildebeest is a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Wildlife enthusiasts from all corners of the world gather near the Mara River to witness these incredible sights. There, the wildebeest graze on the grassy plants on the other side of the river. Their numbers are so vast they cannot be counted. It is likely that there are many more herds like this one. Wildebeest are simple creatures, much like sheep. They follow each other's legs, and wherever one wildebeest goes, the rest of herd will follow. Wildebeests are easily startled by even the slightest noise. It is best to observe them from a distance. The most thrilling moment is when the wildebeest cross the Mara River in a massive herd. Friends, the Mara River flows through two countries, Kenya and Tanzania. Both countries are committed to protecting the river and its wildlife, as the Mara River generates significant economic benefit for both. Here you can see how the wildebeest panic at sight of crocodiles. They are constantly running here and there. When crossing the Mara River, wildebeest will faint this way and where. They have no idea how steep the river banks is. These wildebeest are so simple that they jump off steep slopes while crossing the Mara River. Look please, this wildebeest just jumped and fell and cannot stand up now. It may have broken its leg. Another one of the companions has come to help it up, but it could not get up. It may be badly injured. You can see one laying there next to me. Friends, animals also have emotions like love and anger. You can see an example of these here. The wildebeest crossed the river, risking their lives, pushing each other like sheep. You can see how the wildebeest jump and fall from high slopes. They can also get injured from jumping from high heights. Some even break their legs and either die on the spot or fall prey to the crocodile in the river. It is exciting and fun to see wildlife in the Serengeti and Mara River. But even more enjoyable is watching a large herd of wildebeest or zebra cross the Mara River. Tourists always gather on both banks of the river to see this. Whenever you come here, I appeal to all wildlife enthusiasts not to tamper with the rules of safe nature, safe life. If you want to see such beautiful sights of nature in the future, you have to see them while protecting them, so that these animals do not feel threatened by you. We must not forget that when nature is tampered with too much, it finds a way to restore its balance, and then people have to pay the price. You can see how the wildebeest are risking their lives to cross the river. They are surrounded by gaunt crocodiles. Oh, a crocodile is looking at these wildebeest. Oh, there is not just one. There are many more here. Wildebeest is escaping from the crocodile's mouth. You can see how these wildebeest are. I think some wildebeest may be preyed upon. Managed to escape death. Look, something happens here. Even though this wildebeest was surrounded by 4 crocodiles, it survived. Only its tail was bitten off by the crocodiles. Here, a zebra has been caught and killed by crocodiles. Friends, see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.